Hello dear students. In the previous class, we discussed different types of pronouns: personal pronoun, reflexive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, relative pronoun, distributive pronouns, emphatic pronouns, interrogative pronouns, and possessive pronouns. And today in this class, let us look at what is demonstrative pronoun and relative pronouns. Let us begin with the demonstrative pronoun. You know that demonstrative pronouns are used to replace the names of people, places, or objects that have been previously mentioned. This, that, these, those are demonstrative pronouns. Dear students, there are four demonstrative pronouns are there: this, that, these, and those. These pronouns are used to point out the pronoun or noun which are mentioned previously. It will point out something. This is my pen, or that is your pencil. Likewise, demonstrative pronouns are pointing out something or someone. Usually, the children make confused with the demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Let us discuss what is the difference between a demonstrative adjective and a demonstrative pronoun. The main difference is that a demonstrative adjective will always have a noun after it, which it qualifies. At the same time, a demonstrative pronoun will stand on its own in place of a noun. Let us look at an example. I have written this poem. In this sentence, the word this is used as an adjective because it qualifies the word poem. It qualifies the noun poem. But at the same time, this is the poem that I have written. In this sentence, thus the word this is not used as an adjective because it is not placed just before a noun, and it is placed as a subject, and so it is used as a pronoun. So that is the difference between demonstrative adjective and demonstrative pronoun. Dear students, in page number 30, there are 10 exercises are given. You have to find out the pronoun and you have to mention whether it is demonstrative adjective or demonstrative pronoun. Let us do two examples from that. The first one, these bags are not as heavy as they look. So in this sentence, the word is these, and it is placed just before a noun, and the noun is bags. So it is pointing out bags, these bags. So it is an adjective. It qualifies the word bags. So these bags are not as heavy as they look. So in this sentence, these is used as a demonstrative adjective. Let us look at another example. Let us look at the fourth one. These are as precious to me as diamonds. These are as precious to me as diamonds. So in this sentence, the word is these. And after that, we haven't used any pronoun or we haven't used any noun. So it is used as a pronoun. So the word these is used as a demonstrative pronoun in this sentence. It is pointing out something and telling that these are as precious to me as diamonds. So dear students, likewise read and understand and find out which are the demonstrative adjectives and which are the demonstrative pronouns. During the online class, we will discuss its answers. Let us go to the next one, that is relative pronouns. You have learned that a relative pronoun refers to a noun or pronoun. And a relative pronoun must be of the same number and person as the antecedent, and it must agree with the verb. So that means if the antecedent is singular, then the pronoun also must be singular. Let us look at that. The relative pronouns are who, whose, which, that. The thing that you have to keep in mind is that if the object of the verb is a relative pronoun, then it can be omitted. For example, this is the table that I bought from the store. Here we have used the relative pronoun that, and that is denoting the object of the verb. And here this is the table. So here in this sentence, the relative pronoun that is denoting the object of the verb, that is table. So in such cases, we can omit the relative pronoun. It can be written like this also. This is the table I bought from the store. Both sentences are correct. It can be written like this also. This is the table which I bought from the store. All the three sentences are grammatically correct. So in this sentence, that is the object of the verb buy. I buy here it is used past tense. So I bought the table. So when we write this sentence with a relative pronoun, this is the table that I bought from the store. So here I bought the table. What I bought? The table. The table is the object of the sentence. So the role is that if the object of the verb is a relative pronoun, then it can be omitted. So here, as it is the object, we can omit the relative pronoun. But if the relative pronoun is the subject of the verb, then it cannot be omitted. For example, this is the dog that bit my brother. This is the dog that bit my brother. If you look at the meaning of the sentence, this dog bit my brother. So the subject, who is doing the action here? The dog. The dog is a subject. So in such cases, we cannot omit the relative pronoun. This is the dog which bit my brother. To avoid the confusions, the relative pronoun should be placed as close to the antecedent as possible. Dear students, we have 5 exercises given in our textbook and request you all to do it as a homework, and we will discuss its answers during online class. Have a nice day. God bless you all.